Hey everyone, so let's talk about something we all love, a little dose of inspiration. Have you ever heard of a vision board? It's that magical tool that supposedly helps you manifest your dreams, like turning your Pinterest goals into reality. And here's the thing, there's a big difference between slapping a bunch of pictures on a board and creating a vision board that actually works. If you ever felt like vision boards are just wishful thinking, stick around. Because today, we're diving into how to create a vision board that doesn't just look pretty, but actually helps you achieve your goals. Whether you're dreaming of a new career, a healthier lifestyle, or just trying to get through the week with a bit more positivity, I got you covered. 1. Why a vision board matters and why yours might not be working yet. Alright, let's get real for a second. Why do vision boards even matter? Why bother? Well, here's the deal. Vision boards are a powerful tool because they help you visualize your goals. And a visualization isn't just some woo-woo concept, it's backed by science. When you can see your goals clearly, you're more likely to take the step needed to achieve them. But here's the catch. If your vision board is just a collage of things you think are cool, it's not going to do much. It's like ordering from a menu without knowing what you're hungry for. You might end up with something, but it probably won't satisfy you. See, most people create vision boards that are too vague. A picture of a beach doesn't tell your brain anything specific. Is it a vacation, a lifestyle, a job that lets you work remotely? Your vision board needs to be as specific as possible. When you start your vision board, don't just think about what looks nice. Think about what you really want. Ask yourself, what do I want to feel when I look at this board? Focus on the emotions behind your goals. Think of it this way. Your vision board is like a roadmap, but you've got to know the destination before you can start the journey. 2. Setting your stage, what you need before you start. Now that we know why vision boards matter, let's talk about the setup. Before you grab your scissors and start cutting out magazine pictures, there are a few things you need to do first. Trust me, the prep work makes all the difference. 1. Clear your mind space. Start by clearing your mental clutter. If your mind is full of stress or distractions, your vision board will reflect that. Take a few deep breaths, meditate, or even go for a walk before you start. You want to approach this with a clear, focused mind. 2. Reflect on your goals. Before you get creative, spend some time reflecting on your goals. What do you really want? And I'm not talking about what you think you should want, but what truly excites you. Write down your goals in different areas of your life: career, health, relationships, personal growth, and even fun stuff like travel or hobbies. 3. Gather your materials. Okay, now comes the fun part. Get your materials ready. You need a board. It could be a corkboard, a poster board, or even a digital version. Some magazines, scissors, get some glue, and maybe a bit of glitter if you're feeling extra. But don't just rely on magazines. Print out specific images that resonate with your goals. And don't forget to include words, quotes, or affirmations that inspire you. It's like prepping for a big date. You want everything just right so you can make the best impression on your future self. 3. Building your vision board step by step. Alright, now that we're prepped and ready, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, actually building your vision board. Step 1. Start with the structure. Don't just start gluing things randomly. Begin by ordering your board into sections that represent different areas of your life, like career, health, relationship, etc. This way, you're creating a balanced vision that encompasses all aspects of your life. Step 2. Choose with intention. As you choose images and words, be intentional. Don't just pick what looks pretty. Pick what speaks to you. If you're aiming for a new job, choose images that represent not the job itself, but the lifestyle it will afford you. Want to get healthier? Find images that represent not just a fit body, but how you will feel when you're healthier. Step 3. Layer in positivity. Make sure your board isn't just a list of goals. It should be infused with positivity. Add quotations and affirmations that make you feel motivated and inspired. These words will be like little pep talks every time you look at your board. Step 4. Placement matters. Here is a pro tip. Put your board somewhere you will see it every day. The more you look at it, the more your goals will stay top of mind. Think of your vision board like a plant. It needs sunlight, aka your attention, to grow. Okay, so you've created your vision board. It's beautiful, it's inspiring, but what now? How do you make sure it actually works? Here's the secret, and it's not just about making the board, it's about how you use it. 1. Daily visualization. Every morning, spend a few minutes looking at your board. Visualize yourself achieving the goals you've set. Imagine how it will feel, what your life will look like. The more vividly you can picture it, the more your brain starts to believe it's possible. 2. Set small action steps. Your vision board is the what, but you still need the how. Each day, set small actionable steps that move you closer to your goals. If your board has a picture of a marathon runner, maybe today's action is to go for a jog or sign up for a race. If it's about landing a dream job, maybe it's polishing your resume or reaching out to a mentor. 3. Reflect and adjust. Don't be afraid to change things up. Life happens and sometimes our goals shift. If you find that something on your board no longer resonates with you, it's okay to adjust. Your vision board should grow and evolve with you. Remember, this isn't just a pretty card, it's a tool for manifesting your dreams. But like any tool, it only works if you use it consistently. 5. Overcoming common challenges. Yes, you can do this. Let's talk about some common challenges because let's be honest, we've all been there. Challenge 1. Lack of time.
I don't have time to make a vision board.
I hear you. Life is busy, but here's the thing. If you don't have time to focus on your goals, how will you achieve them? Carve out just an hour this weekend to start. You will be amazed at how much clarity you can gain in that time. Challenge 2. Fear of disappointment. What if I don't achieve my goals? It's a valid fear, but here's a different way to look at it. Your vision board isn't about pressuring yourself to achieve perfection. It's about giving yourself a clear vision to strive towards. Even if you don't hit every single goal, you will likely get much farther than if you had no vision at all. Challenge 3. Feeling overwhelmed. Where do I even start? If you're feeling overwhelmed, start small. You don't have to create a masterpiece overnight. Begin with one section of your life, like a career or health, and build from there. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Take it one step at a time and take action. Your future awaits you. So there you have it. Creating a vision board that actually works isn't just sticking pretty pictures on a board. It's about creating a roadmap for your life. It's about getting clear on what you want, taking daily actions to get there, and staying positive throughout the journey. But here's the most important part. You've got to take action. A vision board is just a tool. It's up to you to use it. So grab those magazines, get creative, and start building the future you've always dreamed of. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button for me for more tips on living your best life. I would love to hear about your vision board experiences. What's on your board? How has it helped you? Let's chat in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make those dreams happen. One love.